Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Shivani Haralkar, and in today's video we are going to see V model, that is verification and validation model. So let's begin. So V model is also known as verification and validation model. It represents the development and testing phases in a V-shaped structure. It ensures that the defects are detected early, which reduce the development cost and efforts. In this model, both the activities run simultaneously and both of them are connected to each other in V shape through coding phase. Hence, it is called as V model. In V design, the left side represents the development activity and the right side represents the testing activity. The phases in V model, there are two types of phases in V model, verification phase and validation phase. Verification phase includes the development activity, that is requirement analysis, system design, architecture design, and modeling design, coding, etc. And invalidation phase includes testing activity, that is unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. So now we are see each and every phases in verification phase. Verification phases include requirement analysis. In requirement analysis, this is the first phase of development cycle in which the requirement of products are analyzed according to the customer needs. In this phase, product related requirements are collected from the customer, and acceptance tests are designed for later use. Next is system design. When we have the requirements of the product, after that we prepare a complete design of the system. In this phase, a complete description of the hardware and all the technical components required to develop the product are collected. Third one is the architectural design. In this phase, architectural specifications are designed. That means it contains the specification of how software will link internally and externally with all the components. Therefore, it is also called as high level design. Next is module design. In this phase, the internal design of all modules of the system is specified. Therefore, it is also called as low level design. It is very important that the design of all modules should be according to the system architecture. Unit tests are also designed in the module design phase. And the last one is the coding phase. In the coding phase, coding of the design and specification done in the previous phases is done. This phase takes the most time in all over the verification phases. So now let's move towards the validation phases. Validation phase include acceptance testing, system testing, integration testing, and unit testing. So acceptance testing is the acceptance test created in the requirement analysis phase that is executed. It means this testing ensures that the system is compatible with the other systems, and in this non-functional issues like load time, performance, etc. are tested in the user environment. Next is system design. The system tests created in the system design phase are executed in this testing. So this will check the complete functionality of the system, and in this more attention is given to the performance testing and regression testing. Next is integration testing. In integration testing, the integration test created in the architectural design phase, as we see in the verification phase, is executed. Integration testing ensures that all modules are working well together. Unit testing, and the last one is unit testing actually. In the unit testing phase, the unit test created during the module design phase are executed. Unit testing is a code level testing in which each unit of the module is tested very well. It only verifies the technical design, therefore it is not able to test all the defects. That is the disadvantage of the unit testing. There are some advantages and disadvantages of V model also. So the advantages of V model are: it is simple and easy to use model. Planning, testing, and designing test can be done even before the coding. This is also known as discipline model, in which phase by phase development and testing goes on. Defects are detected in the initial stage itself, and it is useful for small and medium scale developments because it can be easily completed using it. There are some disadvantages of V model, not so many, but there are some. This model is not suitable for complex projects because in complex project it is not possible to test the design side by side during the creation of the projects. So it is not suitable for the complex projects. Um, there are high risk and uncertainty also. This is not suitable model for ongoing projects. So that's all for today's video. Thank you.